Fflint oedd yr unig glwb i golli ddwywaith yn erbyn Met yn rhan gyntaf tymor. Neil Gibson yn gobeithio am well record wrth i ni ddechrau ail ran y tymor, a dyma'r blaenwr Eimis yn dal y bêl yn gry. A gosod i at Bradley, a mi oedd hwnna'n agos. Ath i drwy goesau Bradley Woolridge a cosi'r postyn yn y diwedd, symudiad da gan y Fflint. Clark yn anelu at Eimis. Cliriad yna ddim y gorau gan Woolridge. Jones yn llorio Chris Baker. Mae'r dyfarnwr Nick Pratt yn mynd i boced, mi fydd yna Gerdyn Melin i Alex Jones yn fan hyn. Y chwaraewr bach ffyrnig. Ben Mar, y gicrydd at y bostyn pella. Mae Kai Edwards yn disgwyl amdani. Peniad da gan Edwards, ond mae'r lliman wedi godi. Bydd y gol ddim yn cael ei chaniatáu. Edwards rhyw hanner modfedd o flaen yr amddiffynwr falle. Nath orffen i Ddafyd. Rushton yn uchel, Eimis di'r targed o hyd yn ennill honna, a dyma Connor Howard. Edmund Clark allan ar y chwith, Dylan Rees yn ei fugeilio fo. Clark yn gwneud yn dda, croesiad i fewn i'r cwrt, ac mae'n syrthio at Howard! Ac mae'r Fflint ar y blaen. 39 o funudau wedi chwarae, 4edd gol y tymor i Connor Howard, a gol gynta'r Fflint ar Gae Castell ers mis Rhagfyr. Lang yn uchel, Edwards a'r peniad. Mae'n syrthio at Elliot Evans am arbediad gan John Rushton. Mi nath Elliot Evans yn wych i gadw'r foli lawr ar y droed chwith. Rushton yn arbed yn arwrol. Gic gornel dan drwy'n y golwr, y peniad allan ond i Met. Y methu clirio a Bradley yn ei throi hi fewn. Chydig dros chwarter awr y weddill. 4edd gol y tymor i Callum Bradley. Ac ai dyna'r gol sy'n codi'r Fflint o'r dda isa. Met Caerdydd heb ennill mewn 9 gêm. Di'r hediad yna yn mynd i ymestyn heddiw yma ar Gae Castell. Kai Edwards yn clirio. Ond mae Nick Pratt yn mynd i dynnu'r chwarae nôl fan hyn, ac mae'n ail Gerdyn Melin i Alex Jones yn cael ei hel o'r maes gyda rhyw 12 munud yn weddill. Mi oedd o'n hwyr y sathriad yna ar Lewis Rees oedd y drosedd. Elliot Evans at y postyn pella, Evans yn codi heibio'r nod. Ond i ddim i fod i Met Caerdydd heddiw, y cyfnod gwael yn parhau.
We were going into the game, we were going in on the back of 2 very difficult performances, 2 very difficult results. So there's some home truths spoken about amongst the group, players and staff. And, you know, I think on the back of that, the players take all the credit. You know, the players have responded really, really well in terms of this week in training, what we've asked of them. And they were given some very difficult set of circumstances today, but they found a way of winning a game of football. And any game of football you win in the Welsh Premier League, you have to earn. And I thought our players were absolutely excellent today in terms of the character and desire they showed to win a game for Flint Town Football Club.
I think we've only kept 2 clean sheets this year. In our first 5 seasons in the Welsh Premier League, we were averaging 13 clean sheets per season, which tells you that we were a good side. Unfortunately, this year we haven't been managed to do that, and it's frustrating, you know, worryingly frustrating. And we just spoke about as a group, we stick to our principles. A large cohort of the group have been together for a long time. 8 of that team that were involved, players were involved today, played in Europe. So it's frustrating, but hard work gets you out of it. There's no point in feeling you're a victim. There's no point in feeling that to feel sorry for yourself, because that ain't going to happen. You have to work harder. And I don't mean physically harder as in the effort, because I think the effort's there. I think more so at the moment, it's more about thinking about the game, and thinking about the game during action, not away and after the game or before the game. Is in action, positioning yourself without the ball. Next decision, will I need to make a header or a tackle? What am I doing with that ball afterwards? And I think that's what we've got to fight harder with at the minute.